Mga kaibigan, I am holding a DVD right now entitled Drums for Beginners by Relly Villanueva, and this contains 8 lessons, parts of the drum set, cymbal and stick, how to hold the stick. Ha? O nga naman, ano bang pagkakaiba ng stick ng drums sa chopstick at saka sa barbecue stick at banana cue stick?
Well, hindi naman talaga yun yung tinakal doon. Pero but basically, how would you utilize your stick in playing the drum?
Ayun, kasi, pero hindi pwedeng gamitin yung banana stick sa paghataw ng
There are
drums.
some instruments you will be surprised na ginagamit rin ng chopsticks.
Wala na akong masabi. Siguro pag ikaw ang humawak, dahil mahusay ka, kahit banana cue stick, mapapatugtog mo sa drums. Ha? How to use the bass pedal and the hi-hat pedal. Introduction to note reading, sticking exercises, grooves, fills and foot exercises, and how to use the cajon. Ano pang mga gusto mong malaman ng mga listeners natin before you invite them to come and take advantage of Drums for Beginners Relly?
Well, on the DVD itself, merong count along, and then meron siyang parang breakdown nung tutugtugin. So you would look forward to what the outcome would be. So mabi-breakdown yan, tapos meron silang visuals.
Kung may mga nakikinig sa atin ngayon na magbe-benefit dito, sino sila?
Well,
Mga beginners talaga, as in clueless kung paano tumugtog ng drums, o yung mga may alam na kahit konti, o yung mga gusto lang maka-appreciate ng paggamit ng drums kahit na hindi sila drummer. Kasi drummer ako sa Rondalia nung grade 4 ako. Yun lang ang natatandaan kong paghampas ng tambol, patawag dun. At hindi naman ako nagtagal. So, kanino mo nire-recommenda tong produktong ito?
Well, basically, madami siyang a little bit of everything, but more on the foundation.
Sa mga beginners.
Beginners, and then kasi ang napansin ko problem with our drummers nowadays, they lack foundation. So basta lang makapalo, drummer na. Yeah.
So aside from the beginners, advisable din na yung mga drummers na sa mga simbahan ay meron ding kopya nito.
Yes, yes.
For them to be able to polish their craft, their skill, their gift from the Lord. Wow. That's Drums for Beginners. At ang maganda nito, Taglish.
Taglish.
Pwede siyang maintindihan ng mga non-English speakers. Pwede rin siyang maintindihan ng mga hindi pure Tagalog magsalita. Yes. Ibig sabihin, mga kabataan sa panahon ngayon. And this is available from Kaagapay Video Ministry.
Yes.